What's up, Nova Nation? This is your girl, Vana SUPERNOVA. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is officially day 8 of my juice fast, and we only have 2 days left until the fast is complete. So let's get into it. Day 8 so far has been the complete opposite of day 7. Day 7, I was really hungry. Day 8, I'm not feeling it so much. The day is almost over-ish. We're kind of like midway through the day, late afternoonish, and I feel like I'm gonna be straight for today. I feel like I do have a lot of grumbling in my stomach, so my stomach's making a lot of noise. Maybe I'm hungry and I don't know. I'm gonna have another juice. So far, I've had 2, and then I've had 2 bottles of water, 20 ounce each. So I think the juices are 20 ounces each, and then the water's 20 ounces each. I don't know. But I plan on having some more juice this evening. I try to have about 4 of them a day and then have water as well, just so that I'm keeping hydrated. I have also noticed that I didn't have so many vivid dreams as I did previously, but there's a strong spiritual connection today. So I'm really feeling that. And so I'm going to dive into the word, because I feel like when you're on a fast and then you get to this stage, it's so interesting and so fun to just dive into the word. You'll be so surprised at the revelations you'll like unveil from the word. It's gonna be, I'm just so excited about that. And then we haven't purchased any ingredients for our bouillon, but we are officially going to be doing that. And then this weekend, sometime we're gonna go to Restoration Hardware just so I can have my favorite meal and like treat myself. I know I'll likely not be able to complete it, whatever the case is, but that's the treat for the fast. Now, the goal with the fast after we complete it is to put on a max of 5 pounds, meaning that when you start to refeed, it's likely that you'll gain some weight back. You don't have to if you keep everything minimal and continue like with the intermittent fast and do this and do that, but like I don't have the mental bandwidth to be doing all that. So 3 to 5 pounds-ish is where I'm trying to keep it as far as any weight gain, if there's any weight gain. The weight this morning was actually 227.2, which is 0.2 pounds more than it was yesterday. But with fast, you can't go by that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, we don't know if it's like a water weight or what it could be because you're not eating. So what would have really been the weight gain from? It could be hormonal. I do have PCOS, so I'm not even gonna trip about that. That's how I know that tomorrow there will be at least a pound off. That's like a key indicator for me in my body whenever I see like those weird things happen. It's like, stay the course. You're gonna lose some weight tomorrow or within the following days. Like, it's straight. So my goal at the end of this fast is to be about 225. So with 2 more days remaining, I do believe I can get there. I just have to do some cardio. I did Pilates twice during this fast, and then on separate days I did like some walks as well. This last half of the fast, I haven't done really any workout. I've done a lot of standing and moving around and running errands, so I've been active in that sense. As far as like dedicated workouts, no, not really, because I'm just trying to successfully make it through this fast without like cheating or like, you know, I'm just trying to make it out here, you feel me? So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm probably gonna go on a walk today since I do only have 2 more days left. I have errands to run, so I don't know. I might have to push that to tomorrow and see if I could do that. But outside of that, this fast, like I said yesterday, has been by far the easiest fast that I've done this year of the fast that we have completed. My husband is completing this one with me. We're doing this together, which makes it a lot easier. And we do possibly have one pending for the end of the year, so that's something to look forward to. But it may not be as long as this one. It may be 7 days or 5 days. This one, we knew we wanted to do 10 and keep it at 10. I haven't been really doing my skin regimen, so my skin does look a little bit dry and a little bit off. But I ordered the items I needed from Amazon. I use CosRx for a lot of my skincare, and some of it came in today because I ordered some yesterday night, and then some will come tomorrow. I need to just get back on it. Like, I don't have any breakouts or anything, but it's definitely not as like smooth and like supple as it usually is. So I'm gonna get back on my Zoom. Outside of that, I'm really feeling good. Like today, the juice fast really isn't bothering me. I'm not missing food. I'm not missing nothing. I'm not craving anything. I thought it was gonna get worse on day 8 and then 9 and 10, but like, I'm okay. Honestly, I'd probably go another week, but just, I don't feel like being bothered with making the juices. Like, I'm tired of that. I'm not tired of drinking the juices. I'm tired of like making the juices and it being like an actual thing. I'm kind of ready to just like refeed and get back into my routine, but that means also going to the gym, right? And going to Pilates and doing all those things. So it's like a trade-off. Like, so I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing, and I'm for sure gonna let you know how everything goes on day 9. I'm trying to make a video every day of this fast because I know that when when I'm about to fast, I like to see what recent people have juice fast and what their experiences have been. I shared like a couple recipes in the earlier days of this juice fast. Now that we're later on, like in the final stretch, I'm more so going based on symptoms, right? So like, am I getting headaches? Am I hungry? Am I sad? Am I angry? Am I happy? Am I excited? So those are the type of things I want to document towards the end of the fast. And today, I feel good. I feel fine. I don't have like that jolt of energy that I did yesterday. I'm more focused today. Today, I'm more calm, more focused, but I have energy, meaning that I'm probably not gonna take a nap today. I haven't taken a nap this whole entire fast, actually. Like, I feel like I have a lot of the textbook symptoms. I do have the white layer on my tongue, and I've been brushing my teeth like every few hours or so just to like clean that layer. So my body's for sure detoxing. I'm sure that's why my stomach's growling too. So that happened the last fast as well. Detoxing started on day 7, where it's like I could really notice my body trying to push everything out and really just trying to release all the toxins. It happened on day 7 the last time as well. I mean, you get some detoxification throughout the day, but I was mainly seeing withdrawal on those first few days during my first fast. This time around, I didn't have so much withdrawal, but day 7, for sure, I was starving. I was hungry. Not starving. So I'm just gonna vibe out. I gotta make another juice. I've been making juices every single day of this juice fast versus last time. We were making batch juices and juicing every other day, sometimes every day, but mainly so every other day. This time is fresh juice every morning. So I'm gonna hit up Aldi, go get some more fruits. We're probably gonna close out this fast with fruits that have a higher like sugar composition because Mag is tired of green juices, as am I. We've been doing green juices the whole fast, and like periodically we'd like test something else, versus before we were really juicing the rainbow. We're having a little bit of everything every day, but this time around it's been mainly green juices, and now we're just like, okay, we want to have fun with it and experiment with other fruits and stuff like that. Like I said, we've done it a little bit on this juice fast, but not as much as last time, and I think we're missing that. So I'm gonna go to Aldi's, hit them up, try and get something to add a little flavor to our juice fast, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.